92% of SAT students get this question wrong. Can you solve it? We're asked two identical rectangular prisms each have a height of 90 centimeters. The base of each prism is a square, and the surface area of each prism is k centimeters squared. If the prisms are glued together along a square base, the resulting prism has a surface area of 92 over 47 k centimeters squared. What is the side length in centimeters of each square base? So here we have two diagrams of what these situations represent. On the left, we have the first situation where the height is going to be 90 and the length and width we can both call x because we know that the base is a square. So the length and width have to equal each other. So what would the surface area then be? Well, we could say that the surface area here would be 4 because there's going to be 4 sides that are all the same here. We would have the front, the back, and the 2 sides, where that area would just be 90 times x, plus we're going to have a top and bottom that are each going to have x squared. So we're going to say 2 times x squared. So we can say that this surface area, which they tell us is k, equals 360x plus 2x squared. Now, what about this second scenario? Well, here the height is going to be 180 because they're glued together, and the length and width are still going to just be x. So the surface area here, which they tell us is 92 over 47k, is going to equal 4 times now 180x, plus we still would have that 2x squared because we still only have a top and bottom. So that would equal 720x plus 2x squared. So now we have a system of equations. We have that k equals 360x plus 2x squared, and we also have that 92 over 47k is going to equal 720x plus 2x squared. So what we can do here is we can use substitution to solve for x. So we're going to take this and we're going to plug it in down here for k. So we're going to say 92 over 47 times 360x plus 2x squared is going to equal 720x plus 2x squared. And then I'm going to plug this into Desmos. So let's take a look at what happens if we plug this into Desmos. If we plug in 92 over 47 times 360x plus 2x squared equals 720x plus 2x squared, and then we look at this, it's going to tell us that x is either going to equal 8 or 0. X obviously can't equal 0 because that wouldn't make sense in the context of the problem, so our answer is going to be